Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video we're going to show you how to replace the brake light switch on a Ford Focus. It will be the same procedure from 2012 all the way until now, recent 2015. So what you need to do, if you have the ABS light and the traction light on, it means sometimes even your tail lights won't work, or the cruise control, it means it's the brake light switch. And okay, this is the brake pedal, and right here underneath it, that's where the brake light switch is located, this one right here. So what you need to do right now is you need to turn it clockwise, okay, about that much, so you can see about what it is, about 30 degrees, and pull it out. Okay, it comes out of there, and now the only thing left is to unhook the wires. You just need to grab right here, and you need to press right here. It's very limited room, and you pull. Okay, you can hear this one click. And this is the brake light switch. That's how easy it is to remove and replace it. All we need to do now, connect the wire, install it, and turn it counterclockwise, and you're ready to go. Okay, pretty simple procedure, guys. It hopefully will save you a lot of trouble and save you some money instead of going to the dealer. Please give us a like, don't forget to subscribe if the video was helpful. We upload a new video almost every day. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.